do it to you.
You cannot catch me.
I will catch you. Look, for example, let's do it slowly and I will catch you. Just go like this. You know? Turn. No. Turn.
Help me. You don't catch. You cannot catch.
Yeah, I can.
Hold me, boy. Hold me, boy.
Look, I can hold you.
Should be doing this on live.
Huh?
No, this is on video, really quick. Okay, ready? Okay, I will catch you. Like, do number more. Okay, ready? Big back.
Can you catch me? Hold on, kick.
I'm eating.
Ready?
Okay, ready? Go.
So what do you want me to do?
Just fall back.
Fall back. Lean back and just fall back.
Okay, ready? I'll catch you.
No, you better come closer.
I am closer.
So what's the point? What are you trying to do? Why
It's
you
a
wanna catch me?
trust fall.
Oh, it's a trust fall.
Fall
Yeah.
back.
So you're gonna be hold me.
Yeah,
I trust you.
yeah.
Okay. Move, kick.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready. But you better-
Look forward.
It's called trust fall for a
Okay.
reason.
Close your eyes.
Okay, go.
Never trust in man, trust in God.
Never put your trust in me. Put your trust in the Lord.
That's so messed up.
Amen.